So you guys, welcome back to Akahilz. We have weekly roundup on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. So what happened to Play2Earn games and NFTs this week, January 14, 2022. So articles on bound second of reviewing this article and it's your boy Akahilz. So table of content, Variable launches new order management tool to block risky orders on OpenSea. So OpenSea might have to do more to retain its position as the king of non-fungible token (NFT) marketplace. A new project has staged a rather bold uprising with a vampire attack. Meanwhile, the impact of celebrities on an NFT project can never be ignored. Here's a rundown of some of the hottest NFT news over the past week. So Rarible launches new order management tool to block risky orders on OpenSea. So the NFT marketplace. Okay, this is the official Twitter handle. Following the recent community concerns, we created an order management tool that allows you to identify and cancel potential risky sale orders from OpenSea. More on what happened and how to protect yourself. So I think that's a good one. So I said the last Tuesday announcement trails news of an exploit on leading NFT marketplace, OpenSea. So apparently an NFT can be sold for far less than it is actually worth or the actual price the owner intended. So Variable revealed that it had received multiple complaints about irregularities with the prices of NFTs displayed on its platform that were aggregated from OpenSea. For instance, some customers contained that they, while some NFTs would show up as available on Variable, they were not up for sale on OpenSea. So the NFT marketplace began aggregating sale orders from OpenSea last year to boost liquidity on its multi-chain platform. So according to co-founder Alex Serninkov, customers were able to access OpenSea data through Rarible's activity tab. So the company explained its latest fix in a Twitter thread. NFT traders can go to orders.rarible.com where they can cancel what has been described as risky sale orders. So an Associated Press to launch NFT marketplace to support journalism. The AP, Associated Press, an American non-profit news agency, has announced its plans to launch its own NFT marketplace for photo NFTs from 8 award-winning photojournalists. Set to go live by the end of January, the NFT marketplace will feature a wide array of photos, including some Pulitzer Prize-winning shots. It will also include digitally enhanced depictions of photographers' work. So AP is tapping on the Polygon sidechain scaling solution to launch its marketplace, and its initial NFT drops will be spread out over a series of weeks beginning from January 31. The images will focus on subjects such as climate change, space and war. So shots from the likes of Emilio Morenati and Oded Baliti are expected to be included in the initial drop. So Dwayne DeSunias, AP's Director of Blockchain and Data Licensing, said in a release, so for 175 years, AP's photographers have recorded the world's biggest stories through gripping and poignant images that continue to resonate to today. So with Zwa's technology, we are proud to offer these tokenized pieces to a fast-growing global audience of photography NFT collectors. So each NFT contained detailed metadata about the shot, including the date, time, location of each photo, as well as equipment setting used to capture the image. So guys, you also have Steph Curry purchases links that were NFT, pushes price to new highs. So you want to check this out. So a decentralized autonomous organization that has set its sights on creating one of the world's greatest golf clubs has received a needed push from Golden State Warrior Stephen Steph Curry. So Curry purchased leisure membership and global membership links DAO NFTs on Monday for 0.29 ETH and 1.12 ETH. You can see the dollar equivalent respectively. Following the involvement with the project, the price of the leisure membership tier jumped to 0.72 ETH. Guys, that's on next news headline. We have OpenSea rival looks rare attempt to topple leading NFT marketplace. So Luxrare NFT marketplace is now live. So Lux Airdrop claim to open the staking starts at block. Trading reward calculation starts tomorrow. So guys, these are some of the notables. I'll still be dropping the links in the description box so you can check them out. We have Gap enters NFTs and Tezos launches digital collectible with extra physical pegs. So you want to check this out. So this video doesn't get too long. We have Canadian actor Alex Poinevoque set to star in an NFT ski science fiction series Gen Zeros. Then we have the World of Women NFT collection moons following expansion plans. So that's a good one. So guys, so looking at the caliber of celebrities on the project, the latest rally does not come as a surprise. Actress Eva Longoria and Grey's Anatomy creator Shonda Rhimes have all purchased the World of Women NFT since its launch in July. The collection has traded more than $128 million in the secondary market. So guys, that's all. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. We do hope you find this informative. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe and peace out.